Hi, my name is George Warbacher at paintreproductions.com. I want to welcome you to my video series of Bouguereau's The Storybook Reproduction. This is a great learning experience right here, whether you follow the demonstration videos or techniques or tool videos or both. This is a really great piece for a reproduction. It really takes a look at the classical style of doing portraits. And what you'll see here is a very detailed Grisaille layer. You'll see a very detailed Grisaille layer and a lot of glazing, a lot of soft touching glazing. And you'll even see toward the end a little bit of heavy painting on the impasto like on the book. But the flesh tones and all that is really a fun use of glaze and scumbling. Okay, you'll see this also on my Da Vinci reproductions. It's a lot like this. But to really get that style like Bouguereau did, this can really change the way you do portraits. If you decide that you want to incorporate glaze into your portrait, or if you're into realism, or you're into a classical style of painting. So these lessons right here, I hope they can really, bring out, get you to the next level of being able to get that confidence level where you can do portraits, classical style portraits, and pretty much paint whatever you want. So I hope you enjoy this course. If you have any questions or anything, please reach out. Make sure that you subscribe, share. That helps me keep these videos coming for free. And I want to thank you and have a good day.